How to check your credit score on TD Bank. So first thing first, open your browser and here tap in TD Bank. After that, just wait for it to load and click on the very first option you see, TD Bank Online Banking. Just tap on that and wait for it to load. After that, this kind of interface will appear on your screen. Here, you just need to wait for some seconds. And here, you will be able to see a search bar. Just go there and tap on search. Just type credit score here and tap on search. Go enter. After entering, you will be able to see this kind of interface. I want you to scroll down a bit until you get the importance of credit and understanding your credit score. Just tap on it and wait for it to load. After that, wait for some seconds and scroll down a bit. After scrolling down a bit, you can see the importance of credit here. What you need to do is read this term. In the simplest term, credit is money you borrow and promise to pay back, typically with interest. And you know what interest is from this term. You may just read the whole paragraph. After reading the whole paragraph, I want you to scroll down a bit again and see this option called check your credit report. You can read these terms again here that says review your credit report and all. Just see that and get back and switch to credit score this time and tap on and here you will be able to see credit score center. After reading all those terms, what you need to do is just log in onto your account. After logging onto your account, you should be able to see your credit score. For that, you need to enter your login details and everything. And that should do. And that way you can check your credit score on TD Bank by following the steps. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful to you and thank you for watching this video.